Welcome to our latest challenge. We're doing the beep test, but only with a twist. This is the beep test for press-ups and the beep test for the sit-ups. For the press-ups, I'm going to take it away and demonstrate. For the sit-ups, my dummy here, Josh, is going to take it away. He is the king of the sit-ups in our house, and I'm the king of the press-ups in our house. So we're going to crack on, we're going to see what we can do, and we're going to play the track in the background and see if you guys can keep up and see if you can beat our scores. Okay, we have a support group holding the feet. This is the official marine sit-up test. 1, 2, 3. Josh is our record holder in the family with 75. Only since then we've been doing commando training, so he's probably hurting a lot. What's he on, Isaac? 28, 29, 30, 31 is my record. 43, 44, 46. Oh, sorry. 48, 49, 50 minimum, keep going. 51, 52, right on the beep, Josh. Brilliant. '66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Impressive. 71, come on. 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, he's on a roll. 77, oh! He got a record. That was definitely performing for the camera. I love it. So that is the sit-up part of the beep test. So as you heard, he's got the beep going. He has to go on the beep, hands behind his head. He's got to bring those elbows up to his knees. His legs are at a nice 90-degree angle, and he hit it very hard. Well done, Josh. Okay, so this is the press-up element of the challenge. This is the press-up beep test. So again, it's following, making sure that your form is really good. This is really tough because it holds you and you have to go on the beeps. Okay, so the correct technique is just get down onto your knees to start with. Your hands should be underneath your shoulders. Okay, so it's a nice controlled press up, and then a nice strong press up position, and then it's down and up on every beep. Okay, so this is your correct body position. Arms straight line underneath your shoulders, good strong position, and then up and down. Are we ready?
2, 1.
Oh,
39.
I wanted 40. I wanted 40, but
new record.
38. Was it 38 or 39?
39.
It was 38. I died on the 39th. 38 completed. That is the beep test, the press-up beep test. Thanks for watching. Give it a go. See if you can beat our scores. I'm sure you can. Some of you. I'm sure you can't. Some of you others. But well done. Enjoy. Stay fit. Stay healthy. Enjoy. Take care.